Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about one-to-one. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing I will put S1 is not same with S number 2. So we want to prove that this is about one-to-one function when AD minus BC they are not equal to number 0. Now that means if I put S number 1 and S number 2 in here, they cannot same because this is about one-to-one. So we have this one. Now I will put S number 1 go in here. It's not same with S number 2 in here. Now this one we put on the left, this one I will put on the right. So we have like this. Now we need to expand for the both sides. So we have like this. So AS1 multiplied by CH2, we have ACS1 S2. The next one with ADS1, and we have BCS2. So this one we have B multiplied by D. Similar for this one. AS2 with D, so we have ADS2. Later that we have BCS number 1. And we have BD. Now we need to simplify this one and this one for the both sides BD and BD. So now we have like this. So I will put this one go to the left, this one go to the left. So we have like this. Now we can do about factorization. We have ID. We can do about factorization by ID. This one by BC. So we see that this is about S1 minus S2. So this is about S2 minus S1. So I will need to create one negative sign here. That means we have another negative in here. So this one we have S1 minus S2. And now we can do another factorization by s1 minus s2. So we can see that s1 cannot equals to s2. That means s1 minus s2 cannot equals to number 0. So because this one cannot equals to number 0, that means this one should not equals to number 0. And that is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, we want to find the inverse function. So for this one, we can do about factorization by 8. This one by c. Now I will put c and 8 go to the left. Next, we need to add about d over c. That means we need to minus about d over c. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. Now, I will put number 1 go to the left. Next, I will put this one go to the left, this one go to the right. And now I will put d over c go to the right. And now we can find the inverse function. This is the end. Thank you for watching.